Hello and welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 4. Today we're going to talk about using models to multiply. You can use partial, that means kind of part of, partial products. Look at that's in yellow, so that means we're going to have that for our review or our check my progress, our vocabulary words. So we can use partial products to multiply a one-digit number by a two-digit number. Find the products for the tens and ones separately. Okay, so we're going to break apart the tens and ones just like expanded form, right? We break apart and show the value of each thing, each digit. Then add them together. Area models and arrays can show partial products. Now I know this is covered on ALEKS, so when we go through this, you might say, hey, I've done this on ALEKS, which is wonderful because that gives you great background knowledge. So let's do it. The hiking club has 3 groups of hikers. Okay, 3 groups. Each group has 12 people. How many hikers are in the hiking club altogether? So, I've got 3 groups of 12. So I'm going to separate 12 into 10 and 2. Notice I broke the 1 is worth 10 and the 2 is worth 2. Okay, so 10 and 2. So I'm going to find the partial products. So I'm going to do 3 times 10. Now, 3 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30. Or if you use base 10 blocks, 10, 20, 30, right? So 3 groups of 10 is worth 30. And 3 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2 is 2, 4, 6. 6. Or I could do 2, 4, 6, right? Count by 2s if I've got 3 groups of 2s. So I'm going to add 30 plus 6, right? There are 30 boxes here and 6 boxes here to get a product, an answer to a multiplication problem of 36. So 3 times 12 is 36. So there are 36 hikers in hiking club. The hikers hiked for 4 hours. Each hour they saw 21 animals. How many animals did they see in all? So we're trying to find 4 times 21. Okay, so here's what I kind of like to do when I make my models. So I know the smaller numbers on the side. And, oops, that's kind of a little crazy. I don't know what happened there. And then I kind of just make my rectangle. Okay, and I need to break 20 into 21 into 20 and 1. So I'm going to break this part into 20 and this into 1, right? 1's much smaller than 20. So then I like to put an X here for showing I'm going to multiply. So in the big box here, I'm going to do 4 times 20. So if I have 20, 20, 20, 20, if I have 4 20s, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. I have 80. Okay, and then I have to do 4 times 1. 1 group of 4 or 4 groups of 1 are just 4. Okay, so now I need to add 80 plus 4. Oh, here we go. 4 times 20 is 80. 4 times 1 is 1. Oh, 4, sorry, not 1. And then if I take 80 plus 4, I would get 84. So 4 times 21 is 84. So the reason why this is called partial products is because I'm splitting apart. I'm using, ranking my bigger number, writing it in expanded form, and then multiplying 4 times the 10s and 4 times the 1s. So notice I did 4 times 20 and 4 times 1. I'm multiplying both of them by 4. So let's try it again. So if I was going to represent 2 times 15, okay, I draw my box and I put my smallest number on the side times. If I break 15 apart, I'm going to break it into 10 and 5. So I'm going to put 10 here and 5 here. Okay, so 2 groups of 10, 10, 20 is 20. 2 groups of 5 is 5, 10. Okay, so if I take 20 plus 10, I'm just adding the numbers inside of my model, my area model, I get an answer of 30. 2 groups of 15 are worth 30. Okay, let's try this one. How could you multiply 3 times 32? So 3 goes on that side. Draw my rectangle. And cut it there. Does it matter where you cut it? No, it really doesn't. Then I'm going to break 32 into 30 plus 2. So 30 is going to go here. 2 is going to go here. Get my multiplying sign here. 3 groups of 30. Okay, 30. Oops, 30. 60. 60 plus 30 is 90. So this is going to be 90 in here. Okay, then I have to do 3 groups of 2. 2, 4, 6. It's 6. So notice how I'm not drawing all those little boxes. That would take way too much time. If we just look at the outside to see what I'm multiplying, then I can do 90 plus 6 equals 96. So that means that 3 times 32 equals 96. Whoa, 99, 96. Up here, we could say that 2 times 15 equals 30. Okay. This is kind of fun. Let's try some more. Draw an array or area model to solve. So 3, break 22 into 20 plus 2, 20 plus 2. Then I'm multiplying 3 times 20. So if I have 3 groups of 20, I'd go 20, 40, 60. That's 60. 3 times 2. 3 times 2, 3 groups of 2, 2, 4, 6. So 60 plus 6 equals 66. So that means 3 times 22 is 66. Here we go. 2 times 41, 2. Here I've got 40. And a tiny little sliver, 1. Okay, 2 groups of 40. So I'd go 40. 40 plus 40 is 80. 80. This is a 1 here. It's kind of hidden. 2 groups of 1 is just 2. So 80 plus 2 equals 82. So that means 2 times 41 is 82. There we go. Let's take a look at these here. I mean, we've done a lot of examples. Let's try a couple more here. So if I do 3 times, I'm going to break 31 into 30 plus 1. 30 and 1. 3 times 30 is 30, 60, 90. 3 times 1 is 3. So then we do 90 plus 3 equals 93. So 31 times 3 is 93. Here, 42 times 2, 2. 40. Oops, 40 plus 2. 2 times 40, 40. Then we'd go to 80. So 2 groups are 80. 2 times 2 is 4. 80 plus 4 equals 84. All right, that's all I have for you today using partial products and an area model to solve. So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.